Hello, future Wati affiliate. This video will guide you on how to become a Wati affiliate. Step 1. Go to our Wati website and select Become an Affiliate from the Affiliate Partner drop-down section. Step 2. Click the Become an Affiliate button. Step 3. You will be redirected to the Wati affiliate registration page. Read the FAQs and T&Cs before signing up. Step 4. Fill out the required fields at the bottom of the above page. Verify yourself, click on Sign Up Now, and you have signed up for the Wati Affiliate Program. Step 5. After you finish the sign-up process, you will be directed next to the profile page of the affiliate website. Please ensure you enter the required fields, marked with an asterisk, and click the Save button at the bottom of the page. Step 6. After you enter and save your details, you will be directed to the payout page as above. Please select and enter the required information for the payout. You are provided with 3 payout options here. If you choose PayPal, please enter your registered email address and click on Add. If you choose an international bank, please enter your bank account number and bank BIC, aka SWIFT code, and click on Add. If you chose Bank IBAN International Bank Account Number, please enter the required details and click the Add button to save it. Remember, you can change your preferred payout method anytime after adding the payout method while registering. Click on the left bottom corner which shows the initials of your name entered. After clicking, you will see 3 options. Click on the payout method and get on the payout method page. When you enter the payout method option, you can see and delete your current payment method. Also, you can add the new payout method button as you wish. Also, you cannot choose the same payout method twice. Thank you. You are all set to become a Wati affiliate. Hope you find this helpful.